Hello Next Gen fam. Today we're unboxing the Baseus 11-in-1 docking station, a powerhouse hub designed to supercharge your productivity. Inside the box, you'll find the docking station, simple, sleek, and ready to use. This 11-in-1 docking station includes 3 USB-A ports, USB-C port, and audio jack for seamless connectivity. It has a strong magnetic support and a digital display indicator to monitor connectivity at a glance. Whether you're streaming, editing, gaming, or working across multiple screens, the Baseus docking station offers strong support and reliable performance without lag or overheating. Maximum 100-watt power input with the USB-C PD port, supporting pass-through charging to your laptop with output up to 85 watts. Every port is precisely crafted and neatly aligned in this sleek aluminum body, giving you a premium, clutter-free design that looks as good as it performs. This docking station is perfect for students, business professionals, creators, or anyone tired of juggling too few ports. Plug it in, expand your workspace, and stay productive. It has 4K HDMI output, Ethernet port for stable wired internet, SD and micro SD card slots. Compared to docking stations from Anker, Belkin, and VoltMe, Baseus gives you multiple monitor support and a digital display, all at a more affordable price point. On Amazon, over 3,000 units were bought just last month, backed by 240+ positive reviews, and it's priced at only $99. With its compact aluminum design, this hub looks premium and blends perfectly with your desk setup. Lightweight yet durable, ideal for travel or office use. That's our hands-on with the Baseus 11-in-1 docking station. Stylish, powerful, and budget-friendly. Would you choose this over Anker or Belkin? Drop your thoughts in the comments.